Found it.
I got it in the car. You should feel my legs right now. They're freezing. Yes, they are. There's a.
Where do you want me to put this? Want to put the rough pot?
I'd sit back in the chair. It seems like it.
Say, let's turn a light on and see what the hell we're doing in here. So I take it you probably want me to record with you.
No, just kind of stay out there. That way you can hear with the machine.
Oh yeah.
That way you can pick that up.
Get the fuck out of me.
That's there.
Oh.
Put the laser.
It's the motion sensor.
It just went on.
Brand new battery. So
Yeah.
Excuse me. Oh.
Do the laser review. Hold on a second.
I'm trying to sit in the chair here. It's gonna go in the wash when we go home.
No.
What else?
Are we convinced though that was up?
What have you brought?
It was so good.
There's some more light.
Fucking, I'm like fucking 4 years old, man. Just laugh for no stupid fucking reason.
Oh, that's a REM pod. That's a cat doll.
His legs are pretty.
You got pretty legs. You ignores me half the time, it's fine.
I don't know if that's gonna work up there or not. I'm probably gonna set it off.
You probably will. Your feet like reach right to the edge.
That takes a lot to jiggle.
You said it.
Well done, sir. Jiggle that thing. Absolutely.
You said jiggle. He goes, that's what she said. That's what she
It
did.
takes a lot to jiggle. I go from 6 to midnight, just like that. You good? Okay. You
Have
drink
fun.
your
Remember no cake for you, Jimmy?
I didn't drink all of it.
Yes.
thing? You drink some of it?
When I get nervous.
This is where you're gonna go to sleep.
Spewing random garbage from my mouth. Nap time. Woo!
Yeah.
Careful.
That was just my light falling out.
Dude, you did that, I squeezed this backpack. Oh shit.
Your sphincter.
Yeah.
Just synthesizer. Get it right.
Is that really not a word?
Synthesizer? It's a word.
Yes.
Oh,
It's a
see?
musical instrument.
It's a it's a musical instrument, but
Oh, I
not
was way wrong.
yeah.
I was way-
Definitely not
It
what
was
you
an
thought.
honest mistake.
Where's Berwick, Pennsylvania?
Oh,
I have no idea.
I don't know.
There is a mass casualty situation.
Oh, really?
Yep. At a fundraiser.
Jesus.
13 people have been very critically injured.
Jesus.
Someone drove a car into a parking lot on purpose.
Oh. Well, shit.
People do that shit, man. I don't get it.
Mm-mm.
Can you imagine that deductible?
Times 13.
Terrible
Oh, God,
joke.
everyone out. Anyway.
They're never getting car insurance again.
Not even Geico can help
like
them.
$800 a month.
Yeah.
Not even that. I mean, they're going to be in jail for manslaughter for a long time, and even after that.
Not even the general can help.
Vehicular manslaughter, then after that.
That's so bad. We're going to help.
Yeah.
Twice.
Can you imagine that phone call? Hey, I'm just trying to see, what my insurance rate would be.
I just hit 13
I just got
people.
out of jail after 15
That's
years.
it.
Like, and they're like, oh, is that vehicular manslaughter on your record? Like,
No.
They're like, don't worry about it.
no, we can't cover you.
They tried to tell me they couldn't cover me because my car
they
caught
only
on fire,
charged
and
me
they
that
thought
the
I did it.
first
I'm like,
time.
yeah, I just went outside and went, fuck this bitch, and lit it on fire. Okay, that's exactly what I did. It's fine.
It happens.
Oh my god, I'm so pissed off.
Justin Crown.
What?
Are we ready? We're ready?
Ready?
Ready.
Photosynthesis.
Are you trying? Are you making your own food in there?
Photosynthesis. Patrick has a pickle.
Huh?
Patrick has a pickle.
It's mayonnaise an instrument.
Is that a movie?
They're having a conversation.
That's a full-blown conversation.
We're talking to each other.
Can we kill that light?
Yeah, it's not supposed to happen. That's not like off of like anything. It's
Yeah.
just like,
Oh.
it's supposed to be talked to. Like the It's just like,
Like he's yelling.
ow. Like fucking Street Fighter. Fucking Blanca.
I'm gonna go live.
Can we turn the light off? You
Yeah,
want
I'm
that
gonna have to leave. Hold on, let me turn
You get her.
it.
Full strip.
Is the doctor?
Doctor, I'm back on the table.
Is he ready for him?
I'm ready for you if you want to come give me an examination. Perform your autopsy on me.
So this is normal? Like you don't have to talk to it?
You no, you can't.
You can ask questions or you can just sit and let them do it.
Can one of you tell us hi?
Is he dead?
I heard that.
I heard that too.
How many people do you see here sitting down? Couldn't make that one out.
The end of it sounds like a guy laughing.
That's the same voice 3 times in a row. Ma'am, are you some kind of nurse or something?
Is that the same one?
Sounds like
Did you hear 7? I thought I heard 7 too.
What question did I ask?
Yes,
How many of the
You asked how many of us are here, and they said
There's 7.
they just said 7. I did.
Did it say with a man?
His mom passed?
Whose mom passed?
Something about listening.
Are you listening to us ask questions? What do you hear?
That sounded like a guitar.
Can you come perform an autopsy on my friend on the table? Can you tell me how he died? I need you to be more clear. Is it a sub pump? I don't know. I'm trying to make out words.
Hard to understand.
Can you tell me what they did down here?
Oh. Like a woman yelling. I still feel like I'm listening to a conversation.
Spirits, we're trying really hard to hear you. We need you to speak one at a time. If you're here with us, can you say, thank you. Can you say hi?
Is it right this second?
That's what they said. Say hi.
Yeah, that's
Oh, yeah?
Like as if like she was talking to the other speaker. Spirits, my name is Lindsay. Can you tell me what your name is? You see, this is stupid.
That's kind of what it sounded like.
That's it did. I would make it us be like that. What do you think is stupid? That should say, hey Connie. I don't know if I heard the name Connie. I don't know why that just.
Maybe.
Can you go touch that box over there again?
I don't know what he said, but that was really something.
just going beeping. You know, like beep. It reminded me of like a
That was yours? Can you tell me the color of those dots on the wall?
train or like a grandfather's clock. Can you tell us what the name of this place is?
I heard it,
Wildwood.
yeah.
Clear
Oh
as freaking
my
That is
god.
awesome. That's awesome. You're not making that up at all. That was Wildwood, 100%.
Can you tell us if you're a patient or a doctor here? Did you work here or were you a patient here?
Someone move up there. I heard like a footstep.
Yeah, I heard patient. I don't think anything moved out here.
I heard like a thump.
I moved forward, but I don't think I made a noise when I moved forward.
No.
It sounded like a boot heel to front. Taking
Oh.
a step.
Oh.
No,
Just one step.
no one's moving like that.
Can you tell us what year you think it is?
Would you hear?
I do.
What year do you think it is?
Call me crazy. The first time I think I heard 2021.
What did you hear, Jim?
I thought I heard 2021 the first time you said it.
I thought I heard 19, but then I didn't hear anything else
That's
after
what I
that.
thought I heard.
19, but I didn't hear anything else.
Yes, I thought I heard 19
I
You
thought
thought
I
you heard
heard
71.
I thought I heard 76.
We couldn't understand what you said about the year. Could you? What did it say? Could you repeat the year again for us?
Tommy died in 1973.
Oh, you're right.
Just say yes.
Yes.
Flip said yes. It sounds like it said he really died.
Is this Tommy? Who died here? lot of bodies.
Did you hear that? I heard it too.
Why did people die here?
Did they die here because osteopathic remedies didn't work?
Did people die of tuberculosis? Sorrow?
That's what I heard.
Is there a lot of sorrow in this place?
Sadness. Oh, so weird.
Terrifying?
Terrifying or I'm fine?
I thought her terrifying.
Terrifying? Okay.
That shit said sadness.
Yeah, it sure did.
Wow.
Are you stuck here?
Did you just knock? You know what's funny? That's the same woman's voice back again.
Yeah.
Doctor, are you here with me?
Can you tell us? Can you tell us what Jim? Can you tell us what Jim is sitting on? How many people died here? Can you tell us how many spirits are in this house?
A week ago? A week ago?
Said something about patience right there.
Spirits, why was there so much sadness here?
Cherish your fate.
Cherish your fate?
Faith or fate?
I don't know. That's either.
Interesting.
Said something about dead. Dead. Very clear.
Did you say why are you sad or something like that just now?
Why? Yeah. Why was there so much sadness here?
You said something about dead.
Okay.
Was it sad how much death occurred here?
What kind of shot is that?
Earlier, somebody was playing with our lights. Are you still here? I'm here.
It was a full sentence, but I couldn't understand it. Rather the location and asked for somebody that you know.
Yeah. I didn't get it.
Because I feel like entities can trick you into thinking that they're your loved one when they're not.
You know, we did Octagon one time. It said brothers, and then it said my dad's name, and then it said like two of my kids' names.
Really?
Swear to you.
What kind of treatments were performed here?
Oh, that's me.
What year was this building built? I'm sorry, can you repeat that?
What do you think you heard? I'm gonna tell you what.
19.
I thought it said 1888.
So I noticed something before you asked that.
Yeah.
I heard a knock, and it sounded like it was over there by those stairs.
Okay.